Thank you for calling reservations. My name is John. How can I assist you today?
Hello?
Hi, sir. Can you hear me? Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, how can I help you today?
I need to book a reservation.
From where would you like to fly out?
New England to New Hampshire.
Okay. Okay, that is the Bismarck Municipal Airport, North Dakota, New England.
Wakanda forever.
Sorry?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry about that. That was my dog.
So you were saying about the reservation, sir?
Yeah, we're gonna be going to Miami, Florida, to Wakanda.
No, but you mentioned that your mother was a whore before giving you birth, correct? Was that the correct?
You motherfucker, I'm gonna go ahead and fuck your mom.
You told me that she was.
Yes,
taken
I
on the
really wanna
streets
go ahead
by
and fuck your
someone.
pussy.
Good one, bro. Good one. She was taken on the streets by someone. Good one, bro. Good one. You did a great job. You did a great job with that one. Alright, I'm gonna remove Sonic here because he's not. I don't want to get him in trouble at work if his phone goes off. He's at work today. So I'm doing this solo. Badly doing this solo. But hey man, it's a snowstorm outside, guys. You guys want to go see it?
Goodbye. Thank you for calling
Customer support.
Reported as spam.
This call is being recorded.
Please hold for the next available agent. Once again, decide to register your numbers can be found.
Customer support, this is Russell Mallory. How can I help you?
Reported as spam.
What'd you say about G?
अरे भाई ये फर्जी है ना ये?
Yes, I really wanna go ahead and fuck your pussy.
भाई ये ना क्या कर रहा मालूम? 3 वे कॉल कर रहा, तुम लोग को भी कॉल कर रहा, अपने को भी कॉल कर रहा, अपन दोनों को भी डाला.
हाँ सही बोल रहा.
Ay,
गाना हो रहा है चूतिए ने. ये जो बोल रहा ना ये. भाई रोज को हो गया मालूम इसका.
भोसड़ी के गान में लेगा बैंड के लंडे.
इसका
You
रोज को हो गया.
motherfucker asshole.
You guys sound so happy. You sound so happy.
Hello. Oh bye.
Go kill yourself. Thank you. Alright, so it's Norton to. Why isn't your second number working?
Which one?
Let me see what it is. It's 559-425-0051.
Yeah, we have shut down that number. That number is no longer in use.
Okay.
Do you want the another number, the new number which we have got it?
Yeah, sure.
All right, write down 800
Alright.
467
467.
6708.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And if you don't call on this number again, I will give you one more number, okay? So just go ahead and put their phone number, not mine.
Alright.
So promise me you will not call on this number again.
I promise.
You promise?
Yes, I
I can
promise.
trust you?
Yes, you can trust me, sir.
All right then. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Hey, I thought you were going to give me another number. Well, the deal is sadly off. Okay, I'll go outside. You know what? Let's call scammers in the snow. Let's do it, guys. Call some scammers. Let's do it.
Thank you for calling customer support. Please
This
press
call
the
is
last
being
digit of
recorded.
your phone number to connect this call. Please hold for the next
Yo.
available agent.
Very important to us. Please stay on the line.
No
We'll
input
transfer to the next
received.
available agent.
Thank you. Goodbye.
This tech support. Yo.
Thank
Press
you for
the
calling
last
support.
digit.
How can I help you?
Yes, hello. I'm trying to get a support here. Hello.
Sorry.
I need some help. I am inside of a blizzard right now. I'm about to die. Please help me.
So simply just die, sir. Simply
I
just
cannot.
die.
Why the fuck you want me to die? No one's going to save the scam victims then.
Because your life, because your life
Did we scam your
doesn't
mom's
exist,
pussy, you
sir,
motherfucker,
okay?
piece of
Just
shit?
die.
You guys need help. God. You need to go to therapy. Hello? You guys need anger management classes. Are you guys mad that you're not getting any sales or something? Why are you so mad? How many sales are you guys getting every day? Okay, I see. I see, it's 0. You are getting 0 sales. I'm literally out in the snow right now. Hopefully, my computer gets very hot, so I hope
Goodbye. Thank you
this
for
cools off
calling
my
customer
computer.
support. This call is being recorded. Please hold for the next available agent.
If you believe this is incorrect,
Hello?
please dial 1 to report the issue and visit freecallerregistry.com. Once again, to try to register.
Yes,
Is this
my
a-
friend. How are you?
Is this a tech support scam? What's going on?
No.
What's going on today?
This is the place where we
This is
sell
not
your
the-
The number
mother
you are
pussy.
calling from has
Wait, you said my mother where?
Yes, how can I help you, my friend? Hey, reservation वाले भाई, ये ना क्या कर रहा मालूम? 3-way कॉल कर रहा और है ना दुख दे रहा है तुम लोग को भी अपने को भी.
Stop speaking that language. Wow, it's so annoying.
दिमाग की माँ भी नहीं कर रहा मालूम. रोज कॉल करता ही नहीं. रोज तुम लोगों को कॉल करता और अपने को कॉल करता.
Daddy Marandi.
क्या बोले भाई?
What'd you say, bye? Bye, what'd you say?
हाँ, इसका रोज का ओवर है.
What'd you say?
क्या बोलता मालूम? I'm gonna bust your phone. Hey, shut up, you motherfucker. I'm not talking to you.
I'm not using a phone, retard. How could I call you guys on a phone? I'm using a computer.
अभी
And I'm
क्या
out in the
काम करना
snow
पड़ेगा
right
मालूम?
now.
अपने को नंबर चेंज करना पड़ेगा.
I'm out in the snow right now.
ओ
If
रिजर्वेशन
you were
वाले भाई.
if you were here in the snow, you'd probably freeze to death because you're not used to that.
क्या-क्या
You
बात
guys
कर
are
रहे?
such a cute couple. You know that? You guys are so beautiful.
Yes, we are cute couple. All right, don't disturb us. Just shut the fuck up. All right?
Beautiful gay couple.
Yeah, just send your mom. She will gonna tell you we are gay or not.
I don't have a mom. I have 2 dads.
Yeah. Good to you.
Yeah, it is good, huh?
No, this is not a prank call. Do you have computer?
Fuck you, motherfucker, bitch. Teddy Marundi.
Yeah.
Send your mom here. She'll tell me if you have computer or not.
Hello.
Send your
reservation
mother
wale
to my
bhai.
house. She will tell you if I have the
ओ
computer.
रिजर्वेशन वाले भाई. ये इसी तरह दे रहा है मालूम. भाई कॉल कर रहा अपन दोनों को बीच में बैठ के सुन रहा है.
What are you talking about, motherfucker, bitch?
We are talking gibberish.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, let me talk gibberish. I'm good in gibberish.
I just said a sentence in
Hello?
Hindi. Hello. Hello.
You motherfucker asshole, you suck my cock, you motherfucker.
Stop playing recording, man.
That's not the recording. That's my uncle.
No, it's a recording.
What are you talking about?
Don't you have any talents?
Oh, yeah, my dick is very long and I fuck your mother in the pussy. She like it. I have the good fucking talent.
Okay, if you
I have the good
if you
fucking
can do one
talent.
thing,
I know how to fuck your mom. I make your mommy
mom has been
squirt
fucked
all
by
the
an hawk.
time. Really is not a lie.
Thank you for calling customer support. Press 1 for this call is being recorded. Booking. Please hold for the next available agent. Please press 1 for new booking.
Hello, thank you for calling Microsoft Windows Support.
फर्जी कॉल कर रहा है वापस फर्जी
Hold on, speak to my manager. Hello.
Who is it?
Who the fuck are you?
Who the fuck are you?
I'm your daddy.
You called right now, so you have to let me know who are you by
I
the
am
name.
your daddy, motherfucker bitch. Why are you doing
Are
this,
you
Beta?
fucking good?
Beta. Hey, Beta, why the fuck you're doing this?
Thank you for calling support. How can I help you?
Yes, hello. Thank you for connecting with the reservation desk. How can I help you to book a flight?
Thank you for calling support. How can I help you?
Hello.
How can I help you, sir?
Thank you for calling. How can I help you? Reservations. This is Justin. How can I help you? Hi, this is Justin. How can I help you?
Help me with your mom's mother number.
Hi, sir. This is Justin. How can I help you, sir? Yeah, I'm good, sir. I'm good. How can I help you, sir?
Okay. In what company is this?
Where exactly have called, sir?
Justin, bro. Are you from India?
Where exactly
No,
have called, sir? Could you please?
we are in California. We are the reservation flight desk of Infinity Travel.
Okay.
Thank you for calling. How can I help you today?
Are you the winner of the call?
No.
Who is this?